04, right up the line. At number 45, by got one out of the lead. Benny Carlson from West Bend, Wisconsin.
Yeah, he was all over.
With a fringe. Benny Watson pulls back out of the lead right there.
Yo.
Good recovery by Jacob in that first turn. All right, looks like Benny Carlson from West Bend, Wisconsin's got this one figured out.
Checker play.
And ladies and gentlemen, Benny wins this one going away. A man from West Bend, Wisconsin is your winner. In second place, the 523 by Jacob Holter. Give them all a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, this hooligan class, these guys haven't, to this point, they have not raced on sand up to this point, so they're just figuring it out.